Chapter 8 Adaptations in Animals. Keywords 1. Huddle 2. Penguin 3. Hibernation 4. Amphibians 5. Arboreal 6. Aerial 7. Migration 8. Herbivores 9. Carnivores 10. Omnivores 11. Parasite 12. Mosquitoes 13. Fleas 14. Camouflage 15. Chameleon 16. Porcupine 17. Hedgehog 18. Rhinoceros 19. Opossums 20. Glowfish. Notes 1. Terrestrial animals. Animals that live on land. 2. Aquatic animals. Animals that live in water. 3. Aerial animals. Animals that fly. 4. Arboreal animals. Animals that spend most of their time on trees. 5. Amphibians. Animals that live both on land and water. Looking back, choose the odd one out. 1. Polar bear, camel, penguin, Arctic fox, camel. 3. Fish, dolphin, zebra, seal, zebra. 3. Crocodile, squirrel, monkey, tree snake, crocodile. 4. Pigeon, crow, bat, lion, lion. Exercises. A. Multiple choice questions. 1. Hibernating animals are found A. In hot places, B. In cold places, C. On India's beaches, D. Underwater. Answer is B. In cold places. 2. Which of these animals can live both on land and in water? A. Dolphin, B. Fish, C. Frog, D. Whale. Answer is C. Frog. 3. Which of these animals is arboreal? A. Newt, B. Elephant, C. Squirrel, D. Deer. Answer is C. Squirrel. 4. Which of the following is true of omnivorous? A. They eat only plants, B. They eat only animals, C. They suck the blood of other animals, D. They eat both plants and animals. Answer is D. They eat both plants and animals. 5. Which of these animals does not have camouflage to protect itself? A. Glowfish, B. Chameleon, C. Zebra, D. Stick insects. Answer is A. Glowfish. B. Give one word for the following. 1. Long winter sleep, hibernation. 2. Going to a one place in winter and returning in summer, migration. 3. Merging with the surroundings to hide from the enemy, camouflage. C. Find the answers in the word grid. 1. Living on land, terrestrial. 2. Living in water, aquatic. 3. Living both on land and in water, amphibian. 4. Living on trees, arboreal. 5. Spending a lot of time in air, aerial. D. Mark tick for true and cross for false statements. 1. Some lizards sleep throughout winter, tick. 2. Dolphins breathe through gills, cross. 3. Some animals can breathe through their skin, tick. 4. Herbivores have sharp claws, cross. 5. Hedgehogs have spines to defend themselves from their enemies, tick. E. Label the following diagrams. 1. It is a bird, so A is wing or feather, B. Tail, C. Beak, D. Leg. 2. It is a fish, so E. Tail. F. Fins. G. Gills. H. Mouth. F. Answer the following questions. 1. What is a habitat? Answer. The surroundings or the environment in which an animal or a plant lives is called its habitat. 2. Why do some animals hibernate in winter? Answer. Some animals like lizards, snakes and rats cannot bear the cold weather, and that is why they hibernate. They eat during the summer and sleep during the winter in caves and burrows. While sleeping, they use up the extra fat that they have stored. 3. How do the following animals breathe? A. Camel. B. Fish. C. Frog. Answer. A. A camel breathes using its lungs. B. A fish uses its gills to breathe. C. A frog uses its lungs on land and skin in water to breathe. 4. Why do birds migrate? Answer. Birds migrate to warmer places in winter in search of food, water and better living conditions. 5. What kind of teeth do the following animals have? A. Horse. B. Cheetah. Answer. A. A horse is a herbivore. It has a sharp front teeth to cut the grass and a flat grinding teeth at the back to chew the food. B. A cheetah is a carnivore. It has a long and sharp teeth to tear out the flesh of other animals. 6. How do the following animals protect themselves from their enemies? A. Chameleon. B. Deer. C. Tortoise. Answer. A. A chameleon protects itself by changing its body color that helps it to camouflage. B. A deer protects itself by running very fast to be far away from the predator. C. A tortoise goes inside its shell to protect itself from its enemies. Higher order thinking skills. 1. Imagine a camel being sent to Alaska, a very cold place. Do we think the camel will be able to survive there? Why or why not? Answer. No, a camel cannot survive in Alaska as a camel does not have thick fur and fat under its skin. 2. Who do you think will spend more energy to find food, a herbivore or a carnivore? Can you say why? Hint. Whose food can run away? Answer. A carnivore will use more energy to find food as a carnivore eats animals that have the ability to run away and a herbivore eats plants that cannot run away.